Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm just gonna vlog about my little experience with Influenster. I guess it's kind of like a little rant. First of all, you did not send me my tracking information on the Chic Voxbox. Like every time I checked back into the app, it said that we're wrapping it up. Never got no emails saying that they were shipping it out and if I could track it to find out where it was at, all that good information, and I did not get any of it. Secondly, I saw like some other people with the same Voxbox and they received theirs like I want to say 2 to 3 days after I got a confirmation email saying that I was in the campaign. They received theirs 2 or 3 days later. But mine took 2 weeks to get to my house. Like, this is the longest it has ever taken. For me to get a Voxbox from Influenster. So I don't know what was going on and all that little BS that went on. Why you didn't send me the confirmation. Okay. I don't know what was going on and why you didn't send me the confirmation email saying that it was shipped. For a second I thought maybe it was a mistake that they even sent me that I was in the Voxbox campaign. So I don't know. But that's my little rant for now. But I did receive it. Happy I did get it. May not have gotten it as soon as I would have liked it. But yeah, I got it. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we go. We're gonna open it up now. Now. There we go. Look at the ass feet. Come on. There we go. We're opening it up now. So let's see what is inside. You know, I kind of got, oh my god, I kind of got like a sneak peek already because I was on their Instagram stories and I saw when they posted what was in it or what was going to be in it. So let's see if I received all the products or not. Yeah, here we go. It is the Chic Voxbox. For some odd reason, I actually thought, like when it said Chic Voxbox, I thought it was like literally shoes and sunnies. But yeah, I was proven wrong. Yeah, back to the box. Got the little card. Of course, it's going to tell us on the back what all is in it. EOS, Evolution of Smooth, NYX products, something from Coors, hair food, 1, 2, 3, 4 things, 5 things. Okay, we're gonna start with the hair food. It's the shampoo and the conditioner. It's just a sample size packet, so I will do this on my hair. When it comes time to wash it, I shall see what this does. Let me see if you guys can read that. Nourishes for healthy looking hair that shines. Silicone free, paraben free, mineral oil free. Paraben free, mineral oil free. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this is gonna do because I thought it said something about honey in it. Did it say something about honey in it? Yeah, infused with honey. So I know honey is good for the hair, so can't wait to try this. This is the first full-size product we got. It was by EOS. It's the Unique Skin Friendly and Super Smooth Shaving Cream for sensitive skin. Moisturizes and soothes, aloe and wild oat, lavender butter, no added fragrance. So I'm excited to see what this is going to smell like for real. The next full-size product we got was the NYX Worth the Hype. I was saying, oh my god, I got the light on. The next product I received was the next full-size product I received was the NYX Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara and it is in the color black/noir. It is WTHM01 if you're looking for the exact number. Yep. And it's on the bottom as well, on a little note tab, sticky tab, whatever. Yeah, I am definitely excited to try this because I needed some more mascara. And thankfully, they sent me one. So, really? 6 months? That's crucial. Let me see what this one had. Moving right along, the next product we got looks like it's a deluxe sample of whatever the hell this is supposed to be. It looks like it's a sample, a deluxe sample of the pomegranate. It's pomegranate. God dog it. It is pomegranate ahas and enzyme resurfacing mask for oily combination skin. And it's by Course. Let's open this shit up. Let's open this up. And let's show what it is. Let's show. Oh, really? A little bitty ass tube. Well, it is a deluxe sample, so I can't, like, knock it or whatever. And this is also good for 6 months. I guess we're going to have to try this. What does it claim to do? If you guys can see any of that. Purifies the skin and minimizes the appearance of pores. Huh. I do have big pores, so this will come in handy. Definitely. If it can focus. Yeah, this will come in handy. Put this back in this little bit. Ah! Put this back in the box. And yeah, that is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the only things we got in this box. The 5 things. We got 1 by Course. We got 2 by Hair Food, which is the shampoo, sample size shampoo and conditioner. And we got the full size NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and we got the full size bottle of the EOS sensitive shave cream. I don't know why I couldn't say that. And nothing else is in the box. Thanks for tuning in to this little mini vlog of all the things that I received from Influenster. Complimentary for testing purposes only. Okay? I'm not getting paid for this. Girl, wish she was getting paid for this. But yeah. These were sent to me from Influencer. Complimentary for testing purposes only. I don't know why I can't talk today. Oh, BTW, I didn't know today was Secretary's Day. So when I went to work, my manager told me, hey, I signed you up to go on this little trip or whatever out of town for about 4 hours today. I'm like, really cool. I'm down for it. I mean, I'm going to work for 4 hours. That means I'm only there for literally half a day. So I was so down for the cause. And when I was there, I got these flowers. Oh my God. They're so cute. They're so cute. Oh, they're really, really cute. Let me see if I focus it. Come on. The lighting is like so bad in my house right now. But yeah, they're these and they're so cute. My sister thought they were fake. And so when I was driving home, she let them topple over in the back seat. And I'm like, are you serious? I told you the flowers was real. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.